Hey guys, so today I'm doing another unboxing. This is from Modelones and these are gel polishes. So they sent me 4 boxes and I'm going to just unbox it for you and see how they look like. So this costs $43.99 and this is how they look like. The packaging actually is really heavy, like the quality looks really nice, and I'm just gonna show you how they look like. So here, this is wood packaging, and here it's actually ceramic and it feels really heavy, as you guys can see. And yeah, on the left side you can see the nail color. So I'm just gonna show you guys how they look, and if you want swatching video of these polishes, let me know. So this is how they look like. It's really pretty. It's a unique design. So yeah, that's that. And I don't know if this is the new packaging of the box because I couldn't find it in the website. It was a black box, so yeah, I'm not sure. And the next one, this is called Retro Lady, and this costs $21.99. So let's see how they look like. And again, the packaging looks heavy, and this is like ceramic packaging, so let me just remove it. So the color of the inside is like the actual picture right here. So let's just see how it looks. Yeah, so it's like nude color, so it matched the hair color right here. So, and they also sent me this dip powder, but they didn't send me the activator or something like that. And this costs $5.99 US. And then for this one, let's see what's inside. And this kit costs $47.99. So let's see. So this is their booklet, and yeah, this is the kit. So excited to try this out. So they have the poly gels, 3 colors, and base coat and top coat, and also some gel colors and 2 glitter colors. And this is the gel cleanser, and also underneath here, and we have the UV light under here, the rhinestones, nail forms, nail file, nail tapes. This is the gel removal, and this is, what is this? A nail art tool. Let's see how it looks. Oh, okay, I think this is for the rhinestone to pick up and something like that. So yeah, this is the cuticle remover, and this thing, and also they provide this brush for the dust, stuff like that. So yeah, that is really cool. Let's see, what color is this? Oh, it's pink. I already have this in Born Pretty, but yeah, it's cool. So the last box is this. This cost $45.99, and yeah, so this is what they look like. I don't know why they have this, but yeah. So here they have 6 poly gels, and this is nail form. This is a free gift. And they also have this nail form. There's a lot of nail forms. Yeah, this is how they look like. And they also have top coat and base coat and nail solution for the poly gel. And they also have this brush, this sponge for the powder, nail file, and they have this butterfly thingy design for the nail, and also this mermaid powder, I think. But yeah, so yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and also I will have a discount code for you guys. I'll show you right here. So I'll also link it down below in the description box. So if you guys are interested on these products, just use my coupon code so you can have some discount. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.